Welcome to G Resources, an Asia-Pacific gold company listed and headquartered in Hong Kong. Our asset, Matabe Gold and Silver Mine, is located on the western side of the Indonesian island of Sumatra, in the province of North Sumatra. Situated on the Sunda Banda Arc, Matabe is positioned in one of the world's greatest gold and copper-gold mineral provinces. Close to Singapore and Jakarta, the Arc contains an impressive selection of prospects and mineral deposits. Matabe's location has excellent supporting infrastructure. The Trans-Sumatran Highway runs right past the mine front gate, and the city of Sibolga is close by, providing a port and an airstrip. The flight from the city of Medan to Sibolga is less than an hour, and takes in some spectacular views over Lake Toba on the way. Matabe is established under a sixth-generation contract of work that covers an area of 1,639 square kilometres. The contract of work was signed in April 1997 and has been the basis of a very successful partnership, defining the operating terms and conditions of both G Resources and the Government of Indonesia. The city of Sibolga, with a population of around 100,000 people, is a centre for trade and transshipment and deep-sea fishing. There is a 220 megawatt coal-fired power plant and sufficient port facilities to support local and international trade. Since Matabe was first discovered more than a decade ago, the resource base has continued to grow. The known deposits are all within a distance of 7 kilometres from the processing plant, and there is plenty of potential to discover more. Through shallow drilling, so far 7 ore bodies have been discovered close to the surface. To the south sits Horus, Barani North and South, then Purnama, Timur, Purnama, Rambajoring, Tor Ulawala, and finally Ulawala Hulu. Purnama is the largest deposit so far, with more than 4.5 million ounces of gold in resources and 2.5 million ounces of gold in reserves. The silver content of Purnama is also very good, with close to 60 million ounces of silver in resources and more than 30 million ounces of silver in reserves. The deposit spans 6.7 kilometres from north to south, with drilling typically only going to 400 metres depth. Exploration work near Matabe continues to locate additional resources of near-surface oxide and deeper sulfide. Drilling programs continue at all 7 known deposits at Matabe. All deposits are open at depth, with target zones of potentially higher grades the main focus. Additional work consisting of field mapping, geophysics and scout drilling is defining further prospects. Purnama is a large homogeneous gold ore body that is flat-lying, with mineralization from the surface enabling open-pit mining. It's open in all directions, with potential high-grade feeder zones and sulfides beneath the pit. With a low strip ratio of 1.3 to 1 and head grades of 2.6 grams per tonne gold equivalent, significantly higher than the world average, Purnama is a world-class asset for G Resources. Matabe is a compact and highly efficient site. The processing plant is situated central to the deposits and right next to the main Purnama pit. This enables quick and cost-effective ore delivery and efficient mining practices. Matabe's processing technology is straightforward, simple, and is the same as used by many gold mining companies across the globe. The ore is delivered and fed into the primary crusher, with intermediate stockpiling of crushed ore before it's transferred to the grinding mills. Then onto the carbon-in-leach, or CIL tanks, where the gold and silver is removed and absorbed into carbon. The elution process then removes the gold and silver captured on the carbon. The water polishing plant is an integral component of the water management system. Once the water is treated at the polishing plant, it's then able to be recycled back into the process plant for further use or discharged. The design of the tailings storage facility and water management system is designed and built to the highest standards. The mine's supporting infrastructure is mostly located in one area, where the workshops, warehouse, administration and camp functions are located. Regional prospects on the contract of work include gold, silver and porphyry copper targets at 7 prospect areas. All the prospect areas have surface gold mineralisation with potential for standalone gold operations. Potential for buried porphyry copper deposits is recognised under the Matabe deposits and at the Tango Papa, Gambur Kapur, Gulf Mike and Southern Corridor prospects. At G Resources, we believe that the mines should be developed, operated and decommissioned in a manner that is socially responsible. We work diligently to establish and maintain trust and value as a member of the community. Through consultation, we understand the views, aspirations and concerns of the local people and provide environmental management, health and community assistance and training and employment in a manner that is important to them.